Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna have a few little haul videos, and I'm also working on some projects that I'll probably post later on tonight. But anyway, let's get started with this one. And these goodies are from Andy's store on AliExpress. So I'm gonna show you real quick what he sent. I'm gonna start putting them in there. So right now we have these cute little tabs, and it's cute. I guess you could add to your projects, have little hanging elements. We have this one here, which is the candy bowl, which I think Nicole designed this one. It's a candy bowl. This one's really cute. We have this cute little mini bag with the little hearts. So we have the small version and we have the bigger version. Let me see how tall this is. So this is about 4.5. And it'll be like 2.5 once it's assembled. The little one is 3 and it's like 1.5. So super cute to add your little goodies, and you have these little holes so you could add your little ribbon. Then we have this one, which is a light bulb. I think Nicole also designed this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think she did. Then we have the mailbox with the little lid, which is super cute. We got the small version and the bigger. The bigger one is 3.5. And then the small one, which is, this will be cute on a card. Maybe this one on a tag. Super cute. I haven't taken these out yet and putting them in my magnetic sheets. Then we have these bowls. It's like you know those bowls, like the pastry bowl where you put your cake inside. That's super cute. Then we have the smaller version with a cute little rim. Then we have this one, and this is, I think this is an envelope. Yeah, this is an envelope, and this is like the closure. So it'll be interesting to put that one together. Here we go with another bowl with the cute little, almost like those, what they call, like those jam jars. That's cute. Then we have this one here, which I'm not sure what this one is. I kind of want to say it's maybe like a little shadow box, maybe. I'm not sure. So I have to put it together and see what it is. But it's floral, so we'll see when I put this one together. And I'll have all the links in the description bar. So don't forget to pass by and check that. Then we have this one. I can't wait to make. So this is a bowl with a butterfly. Put the butterfly in the middle. And this is going to be a nice size bowl. So I'll be putting that one together. Then we got these cute 2 little girls. Super cute. These little flowers. And it comes with 3 pieces, I think. Yeah. Or 2. Oh no, 3 pieces. Then we have these unicorns. You know we love our unicorns. So cute. And here we have, now comes the shadow boxes. So we have this style. We have this one. We have this one. This one, I like this one. That little style. Then we got this one. And this one, this is a nice one too. Let's see. Then we have this one that says do not open until December 25th. Perfect. Start saving it for Christmas, girls. Then we have this tag set, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super cute little style. We have this piece, perfect for your cards. Sorry about the glare. We have this one. It has like little hearts. What size is this? This is like almost 5 inches by 4. So it's cute. We have this one too. And then we have this one. I like the ones with the squiggly lines. I like this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you get this one, doily style, super cute. And the last one is this bag. which I've seen this one in his store. It's like you can have this one open and it looks like a store window or whatever. This was cute. So yeah, these are from Andy's store. Let me know which ones you want me to work on. I will be working on a few projects anyway, but if there's a specific die that you want me to put together and you want to see, just put it in the comments, okay? But don't forget to come back and see the projects that I'll be creating with these, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.